Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna give you the 5 top reasons why you may not want to pick up the OnePlus Open. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I want to give you my top 5 reasons why you may not want to pick up the OnePlus Open. Hopefully y'all can laugh at it, but let's get into it. These are 5 top reasons why you may not want to pick it up. If you have any other reasons, let me know in the comments and let's have some fun. The first reason you have been seeing online, and you see it everywhere, the OnePlus Open does not have wireless charging. Maybe you that person that has wireless charging everywhere you go. Maybe you have one next to your bed, maybe you have one by your toilet, maybe you have one in your car, maybe you have one at work, maybe you have one at your girlfriend's house besides your regular house. You might have wireless charging everywhere, and that is very important to you and you need it on your phone. Maybe you just don't like the fast charging. I mean, maybe you want it to go a little bit slower. You can take your time, you can relax. If you don't want to charge your phone really fast with the wired charging, I understand that this phone may not be for you because it does not have the slower wireless charging in there for you. So skip out on this phone. The second reason is that the Z Fold 5 has IPX8 water resistance, and this one has IPX4 water resistance, which means that if you're in a rain shower, you get splashed on, it probably will survive it. But if you like to take baths with your phone, go swimming in the ocean or swimming in the pool with your phone, then this one may not be for you either. I don't know why you want to go swimming with your phone or take a bath with it. I don't understand. Then don't pick up this OnePlus Open. Stick with the Z Fold 5, or even get you a brick phone like the iPhone or the Galaxy S23 Ultra that has that water resistance that you're looking for. I don't understand it, but again, I'm just giving you the reasons why you may not want to pick it up. Now, the third reason is more serious. If you need DeX, if you want your phone to be hooked up to a computer and use it on like a monitor or something, and use this as a powerhouse computer, then you may not want to get the OnePlus Open. It does not have DeX or any type of computer sharing software in there to make this a portable computer. Even my Motorola Flip, the Razr Plus, has, desktop mode. This one does not. The Android desktop mode is trash. So if you need DeX, then again, this phone may not be for you, and you may want to just skip it. And that's more of a serious one too, because some people depend on their phones and they have a portable. A lot of people depend on their phones when they away, and they have a portable monitor, and they can use this with Bluetooth and Bluetooth keyboards and get some work done. On a serious note, it doesn't have it yet. Hopefully OnePlus can do something similar to what Samsung does and what Motorola does. Number 4, the cameras on here are just okay. There's nothing special. I did a comparison, and you can check that out too. The cameras here are just okay. Who cares that it has the new Sony sensor? The photos look really good on it, but when you compare it to this one, you may be just missing out. And then it doesn't even have an in-display camera. It has the cutout. Come on, that's not technology right there. If you want, the best under-display camera, get the Z Fold 5. This camera here is top notch. Top notch. But these cameras, I mean, just okay, y'all. Just okay. Especially the front-facing camera. It's not the strongest one, but I mean, it's not like you have to really use that. You can use the back, but still, cameras are just okay on this phone. Now let's wrap this up. Don't want to make it too long. If you're having a good time, make sure you hit that like button. Hopefully y'all are laughing at this video. Hopefully you subscribe to the channel. You knew what type of video this was. All right, so the last reason you may not want to pick up this phone is because of this main display right here. Look at how good it is. There's barely any creases in there. You barely can feel it. Maybe you like a river or a small creek running through your screen. Maybe you like that big creek. I mean, look, it's a dry creek like the ones in San Antonio, but maybe you like those creeks in your middle of your screen and you don't want, you know, the perfection here like they have in OnePlus where you barely can feel it. It's not really noticeable yet, and it just looks really great. So if you are a Samsung fanboy and you like, you know, the creek running through there, pick up the Fold, skip out on the Open because it's just not good enough for y'all. It doesn't have a big crease in there. That display is beautiful, by the way. Those are the top 5 reasons why you should not get the OnePlus Open. If you have any other reasons, please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Hopefully you got the meaning of this video. If you didn't, leave me a comment anyway. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, y'all have a great day.